Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to review the Marvel Legends Punisher with motorcycle. So first yung figure, this stands around 6 inches tall. Tapos meron siyang two alternate heads. Yan, two heads in total. Isa yung regular and isa yung battle damage. Meron siyang bat and some sword or some sort of a machete. Tapos meron siyang guns, tatlong guns, sawed off as I think two barrel na shotgun. Tama. Shotgun and I think sawed off shotgun yung tawag dito. I'm not sure pero i-research ko na rin. Meron din siyang submachine gun and a type of submachine gun din ata ito. Yep. Tapos meron siyang helmet and the motorcycle itself. So start tayo sa figure. Figure's very solid. Nga pala, shoutout to Sir Clyde Malyari from Facebook Marketplace, and super super nice nang nakuha kong set sa kanya. Tatlong Punisher set for only 8,000 pesos only. Tapos i-custom repaint natin to para sa mga clients natin. Thank you very much. Okay, so sa figure, very nice. Very solid yung mga joints. Wala namang loose joints. So here's the front, here's the back, here's the side, and the other side. Yung head niya, yung haircut niya, parang mas meron siyang widow's peak dito sa kanyang hairstyle. Tapos dito, naka-recede yung kanyang hairline. And then you have the eyebrows, parang medyo, gusto ko yung redness around the eyes. And also medyo flat yung kanyang nose bridge. Siguro from all the punching and the injuries na nakakuha niya. Then angry yung expression niya. Tapos meron siyang jawline. You have the neck muscles. Tapos yung shirt niya, meron logo ng Punisher, have the eyes, the nose, and the teeth. Tapos, yung suot niya dito, para siyang t-shirt na naka-roll up yung sleeves para makita din yung muscle definition ng kanyang arms. In terms of the arms, very muscular. I think sa Marvel Legends, ito yung meron na silang mga template nito. Marami silang templated na mga arms. So, pwede nilang gamitin yun sa mga multiple na mga Punisher variants. So this one is the one with the motorcycle. Mamaya pasakayin natin siya doon. Tapos yung sa pants, hmm, hindi lang pantay yung finish ng pants. Itong part na to glossy. Tapos itong part na to sa baba, matte. Pero na-articulate naman siya na maayos. Okay? And then, here's the other head. Mas ano siya, mas battle damage. Meron siya mga stitches, mga bandage. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 na bandage. Tapos may mga